A lot of us don't have any clarity in life because we are always living in a state of confusion. The major reason for that confusion is not being connected with our intuition and always asking for guidance from others, always seeking the answers outside of you. But clarity is something that comes from within you. Clarity is all about alignment. Clarity is about trusting the universe. It's about living in a state of non-resistance. It's about knowing everything. You don't have to think in clarity. And clarity comes from your spirit, from your consciousness. It doesn't come from the mind. Because the mind is very logical. And clarity comes from a place of knowing, not thinking. So you can say that clarity is your spirit and confusion is your ego. Because confusion is just your thoughts. It is your own mind which is acting against you. The purpose of your mind is to link thoughts. And when you are in an unconscious state, when you are not aware of what's going inside your mind starts acting in a negative way. Because that's how we have been conditioned and programmed. To focus on fear, to focus on the scarcity, to focus on lack. That's why the mind automatically starts connecting the thoughts, linking the thoughts that are negative in nature. This is the reason when you are overthinking, mostly it is negative. Because overthinking is something that you do unconsciously. You are not conscious of thinking at that time. And your mind starts linking the thoughts that are negative in nature. Because its whole purpose is to connect one thought to another. That's why whatever you experience in the present moment, it tries to connect it to the past and future. You can't see reality as it is when you are being driven by the mind. On the other hand, when you are aware of your thoughts, when you are conscious, when you are present in the moment, your mind is able to integrate the thoughts that are positive, that give you a sense of clarity and meaning. You are able to see things in a very new light. So you can say that when you are aware, your mind starts acting positive, and when you are not aware of your thoughts, it starts acting negative. It's like when you are unconscious, you live in an inverted way. The way you want to live, you don't live like that. You automatically start living negatively in that autopilot mode. So now the question is that how do we become aware of our thoughts? And the key is to be present with yourself, to simply sit back and observe your mind. There are many different ways of being present. You can practice meditation, mindfulness, and just do whatever you're doing with complete awareness. Being present is really important to live in a state of clarity. Because when you are present, you are out of the mind. You are completely focused in the moment. And automatically, your mind starts linking the thoughts in such a way that you see clarity in life, that you are able to have a vision about the future, and you automatically start living in a state of non-resistance. You just know what you have to do next, and this helps you immensely while taking big decisions. So just observe your thoughts. Whenever you feel that you are in a state of lot of confusion, simply take a deep breath and say to yourself that I am present and I am the observer. Simply sit back and relax. Don't try to change the thoughts, don't try to control the thoughts. Simply just be. And when you are just being, not trying to become something, not trying to change something, automatically you start seeing beyond the mind. Because awareness is the spirit and ignorance is the ego, is the mind. When you are aware, you automatically start connecting with your intuition, with your inner knowing. But when you are in your ego, you are in a state of confusion. Everything is inverted for you. So to achieve mastery over your mind, you definitely have to do some sort of practice, and being present is one of the most powerful practice, because you can be present everywhere just by bringing your awareness to this moment. And apart from that, we have to stop asking others for our own answers. We have to start seeking our answers on our own. The more we seek answer from others, the more we get lost, because this is our life. We have to live in our own terms. Only you know what you want from your life, because you are authentic. And if you go ask some other person, they will just tell you their idea of life, what they think about life, and you will be just living some other person's idea of life, and you can never be in contentment with that. You can never be satisfied with that, because we all are authentic, and all the answers that you seek, everything that you want is within you. And the more you ask others for answers, you create more confusion within you. Every data that you collect from outside, it just makes the voice of the ego more stronger. Previously you just had one opinion, now you have 10 opinions, and you are more confused now. So instead of going outside for answers, for clarity, go within yourself. Ask your own soul, ask your own spirit. Be present with your thoughts, learn to observe your thoughts. We all know how to think positive, how to say affirmations, But we have to know how to observe the mind. We have to understand that the purpose of the mind is to link thoughts. And if you are unconscious, it will just keep linking thoughts and it will keep creating scenarios that will keep you away from clarity. If you want clarity in your life, you have to look within yourself instead of looking outside. The key is in learning to observe the mind. And this understanding of the mind will liberate you from the mind. Much love to you all.